Starting is easy. Say that after me. Starting is easy. Try and practice your quiet mind.
Yes.
If you're spending hours on your own drawing and painting, it's a great chance to practice your quiet mind.
Yeah.
And you might be amazed at what you produce out of when you're in that quiet time. If you have a look at that book called The Art of War, The War of Art, it's called The War of Art. He talks about having a little ritual. If you have a special place and you sit down and you've just got this whole routine of things that you do and you go, and this is how I used to do it. I used to have all my things laid out. I would lay out all my things and then I would have my reference material ready because I'd always be thinking in advance what I'm going to do in the session. I wouldn't ever turn up without knowing what I'm going to do. It'll be puddling away in my mind because I knew I was going to turn up at that time. And then I'd have this little candle sitting on my art table with matches nearby. And it was called, I called it my creativity candle. And my little things always had to be white, like a nice big fat white candle.
Yes.
And I would light my creativity candle. And then I'd have my incense. And I'd light a stick of incense, one that's you can go and talk to people about what sort to use if you like incense, or maybe you have, you don't have to do incense, but Nag Chamfer is a really good one that's like a cleansing, peaceful one. Choose the right oils and then do your little thing to light the burner or whatever you need to do, put it in a steamer, whatever. Or if you've got one of those jars of sticks sitting in the oil, then part of your starting routine is to take the sticks, lift them up, turn them over, wipe any oil that might have dripped from turning the sticks over. So you've got your candle lit, your oil lit, so you've got all these senses. And then you put on your nice peaceful music. So that's another step you can do. And so you've got all these senses. You've got like looking at your table, it's all ready to go. You can see this beautiful candle and you can sort of smell that lovely wax smell of the candle. You can smell the incense. You can hear the beautiful music and you can feel sitting in your lovely comfy chair. And then you pick up the tool, and honestly, if you're not ready by then, it's impossible. And especially if you do watercolor, you stir your dishes, and that is a beautiful, peaceful time to just become like it's a grounding time where you come down from this busy, our brain, busy modern mind, everything's rush. You come down from that down into the like grounding. You feel the ground under your feet and you feel the weight of your butt on the chair and the weight of your elbows, like gravity's taken hold of you and earth is supporting you and all those things. And you grind your inks. And then through all of that, you just naturally are ready. So there's no walking away and you just like do the routine